Hey guys, welcome to the fourth part of my profile application, and this will be the last part. And in this, we will be completing our project fragment, and thus completes our total my profile application. And let us begin. In the previous session, we have completed our profile fragment, and now we need to do just project fragment. Go to project fragment and clear this text view. And for our ease, we are going to copy the same thing which we have done in project fragment and paste it here and press alt and enter. This is how we can add our project description, but we need to change our text. So we are going to resources, values, and in strings. As name it as project title. Now we have given the project title, and we should also give the description for the project. So giving the name as project DES, that is the description, and let the project description be. And we have given the project description as this is the application where the profile of the developer is being showcased and details of the projects are being described in this session. So go to project fragment and give project title. And here it is project description. And if you want to add one more session, just copy this linear layout. Once you copy the same linear layout inside the outer linear layout, just change the text and let us do it again in strings. Name it as thank you and add one more string and name it as details and write the. Now we have written some few lines regarding thank you, and now we shall paste it here. And this is all about the fragment project, and this finishes coding part of our project, that is my profile application. Now we can see both profile and project description. Now we shall run and see our application. That's cool. We have successfully completed our my profile application, and we can see the functionalities between my profile and project fragments and see the same thing which we have implemented, and this looks so cool. And that completes our my profile application tutorial. Thank you. This is Jeevan from Code Android. Have a great day.